well, we in the country for 13 years. 13 years.
Who did you come over with?
The volcano, and the volcano up in Monserrat, you hear about Monserrat? The volcano, they come from.
Well, there was a volcanic eruption.
Yes, bad.
Wow. Did you see that?
If me see it, God is good, because the first time that volcano occurred, it erupted, right? And if it wasn't for God, if not God I rule it, everybody would have gone. Everybody. But God showed that He rule, and when it got in a height, He break it down, and hundreds of people dead. I tell you, dead, yeah, dead.
How old were you when that happened?
No, that's a good question. 50, 55.
About 55.
No, both 50. Because my sister died when he 54.
So you were there with all your family witnessing this volcanic eruption?
Well, only my sisters, my mother died, my father died, but only my sisters and my son. My son was there.
How did you get away?
Oh, get away. Well, let's say you have to move from one place to the other. So this is the south and this is the north. So we have to move and go to the north to stay. And there we are all the people in the for right now. They can't go back at my village. They can't go back in Harris's. They can't go back in the south. So only everything flows to the north side.
Then you managed to come to this country.
So the government said here. Yes. All right.
Okay.
Yes. So the government said that they don't want nobody die. So who could move or come out? So that's the reason why I'm here. Otherwise, we want to know England. If it wasn't for him, as they say, is the devil. If it wasn't for him, I want to hear.
No.
Everybody in a Monserrat would
Perish.
dead. You say? Dead. Because me witnessed the first night, Saturday night, when it started. One after the other. The house going like that.
It come with earthquake as well.
Yeah, the earthquake. Yes.
Is that what caused the eruption?
Yes. You hear when it start, and you hear it just like it right here beside you, and it far away. Yes. Plenty people.
How strong was the earthquake? Was it?
Tell you strong. House is high, and it just like this. The plane field, plane come right up from, well, you know, but I'm talking about from the east, come down to the city, flat. Me tell you flat, Flat. Yes, only the north side. And they say nobody live in the area. They have to move out. So where I was living in the village, no, we can't live there no more. Well, I believe that people get up and building houses and have cars and feeling that there is no God, and you tell them that there is a God. So who alive, they have to pull themselves together. Yes, I know he is there, because me could tell you that if it wasn't for him, everybody would come. Everybody. Yes, because one afternoon they broadcasting and saying, who in the east they sending the truck to get them out, and when some of the people them supposed to turn them back and go back, they come face it, coming down and face it, and
Because some of them never want to leave.
no, right now some of them they don't want to leave because I have a sister and she come up here at the same time with me come and she cries, say want to go back home. The daughter sent for her and she said she want to go back home and she right down there. Yeah. Up to Sunday this week too. Yes, yeah. So God is good, and they believe in Him, and they believe that nobody else but Him, because He breathed the breath of life. Oh yes, all right, Mr. Morris. He breathed the breath of life. No, say? Yes. So, where they talking about?
Sorry, I will have to leave.
Yes, we have to go.
Nice to meet you.
Yes.